City girl for a day. Ay, Manang. Hatid niya ako dun sa pick-up spot ng Uber ko. Thank you. Bye, Manang. Hi, Kuya. On my way to Glorieta for an event. I'm here in Manila for like 5 days and then tomorrow I'll be in Subic with the other bloggers. Travel lang ng travel, guys. And I also need new eyeglasses. I've been nauseated for the past few days. I was wondering what's up. I forgot about that I have astigmatism. I haven't had the time to replace my eyewear because I've been traveling a lot. Also, I need to buy some flip-flops because mine just broke. Hi. Kuya, saan may baggage counter dito? Ay, wala. Okay, thanks. Okay, so I'm here. All these eyeglasses. But you can still see me. Tapos na akong magpa-ayos ng eyeglasses and look who's here.
Hello!
Hi, Jessie and Abby!
Sa mall! Spotted!
Hi, Nick!
Hello! Summer campaign na item.
Ano tayo naka-item? Ano meron? May lamay. Charot. Kailangan ko daw makomplete yung maze. Okay, tapos, maglalakad lang. Ayan, parang may mga bata. Ayan. Hi, mga kids! Hi! Wow, parang, ayan, ang bilis nakuha ko agad. We out here, fam. We out here. Yung table ng friends ko, as you can see, wala akong friends. Oh my gosh, eto pala, may friend pala ako. Hi, Lee. Ba't ka nandito? Wow. Oo nga pala, guys, Lee. Kung kailangan nyo ng graphic artist, he's the man. Galing, galing talented. Hello. Nice to see you. Okay, Scout Magazine. And boom, work ni Lee. Napakagaling, guys. So, kailangan yun ng illustrator. Ayan. Ay, nako. Wow. Hi po. Nagtatampo ako sa kanya kagabi kasi hindi siya nag-i-invite. Umaalis sila ni Luis. Wala ako. Sabi nila,
Luis. Sulpot ka ng sulpot.
Oh my gosh. Ay, nako. What a friend. Pero, actually, hindi pa ako nagre-reply sa text niya. Tinatampi.
I-invite ko siya ng trip. Hindi na nag-reply.
Sorry, I've been busy. You know, joke. Dami nilang chika. Kakain muna ako. Chibog time! Wow, best. So sauce. So sauce. Just like me. Charot. Pa rin sila tapos mag-chikahan. Para kung dito kumakain mag-isa, hindi sila kumakain. Okay, so after Chibog time, it's game time na. Sana madami akong prize na mapanalunan. Ayan. Ay, ang gugulo nila. Hi guys! Tapos na ba kayo? Di pa kumakain. Di pa.
Chill.
Parang gusto ko pa kumain. Okay, so I'm gonna start a game first. It says shoot the ball. Nag-review daw ng vlogs ko. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Trish.
Hello, nice to meet you. Nonood daw siya ng vlogs ko. Nakakatuwa naman, guys. Medyo napagod ako doon. Chibog time muna ako ulit. Or Lutong pa pala ako, guys. Through round 2 muna.
Sarap ng pasta.
Round 2, masarap daw yung pasta, sabi ni Nani. So, ayun.
Nakaganda naman yung camera mo, ah.
Maganda ka talaga. Yun lang yun. Guys, nakakaloka. Ano it is? Ang power. Nakakaloka. Nakakaloka, guys. Oh my gosh. Pero parang ang sarap sumayaw sa kanta.
Babahan ka na.
Pwede ba mag-audition? Ano nakita ko? Hello! Hi! Oh my gosh, umiiyak ka! Uy, i-take ako sa kalang na lang. Oh my gosh, umiiyak siya! Uy, okay lang yan. Okay lang. Hello! Hi! Oh my gosh. Oh, sige. Okay.
Sobrang cute na Fanny, Ate. She's crying.